I'm John Gilley, and I'm the owner of Edinburg Custom Homes out of Dallas, Texas, and our primary market is North Dallas. We met Aspire. We were running a very successful new home building, higher-end construction company. We worked very hard, and just at the end of the day, we didn't have the money in the bank account to represent the amount of work that was going into the effort. The PSA, I thought, would never work in our market. It's been the most miraculous tool in our toolbox. And with the help of Aspire, focusing on best business practices for contractors, we were able to see that we weren't pricing our projects profitably. I would say that that's probably the best asset, if you will. It's a total approach, but the bottom line is we are keeping more of the money that we make. I think the biggest profit leak was that I hate to admit it, we just were not charging accurately for our time. We weren't charging accurately for my time. We weren't charging enough, if anything, for our construction managers. We just weren't covering our costs the way that we thought we were. And so that is what has resulted in not only higher profit margins, but we get to keep more of what we make, and we earn a reputation of giving the client what they want. One of the things Aspire has enabled us to do, many best business practices are, on time, on budget, happy customer.